In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a color palette in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Now, so what we need to do is open up a document, make sure on the vector tab up the top here, so Vector Studio. So this is a graphic design and illustration. It hosts all your vector design tools and supporting panels. Then from here to the right, we want to go ahead and click onto the swatches tab, and we can drag this around too if we like. I might just drag it out here. Make this a little bit bigger as well. Now, if you don't have that appearing for you, we can go ahead and grab that. So go ahead and click the little drop down menu, click onto panels. And now this is called swatches. So scroll down and we're going to see swatches here. So make sure that is enabled. And you can enable a lot of other panels here too as well. But I'm just going to keep swatches on for this time being. Now, once we've done that and we're on swatches, click on the little drop down menu again, and then we got all these options. So we want to go ahead and either choose create palette from a document or create palette from an image. Now, if I want to go ahead and create a palette from an image, I'm going to click onto that. Now, I'm going to click on select image. Now, I'm just going to use this puppy dog for this demonstration. So as you can see here, we've got number of colors. We can change this with a slider. So if I want to do say 26, I can preview. So you can see I've got 26 colors here, but let's see if I can do 100. All right, so I've got 98 as well. So from here, I can go ahead and click on create. And then as you can see here, this has created that color palette from that image. And now you can also do that from a document as well.